Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record, track, and process purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for managing your vendor relationships and keeping accurate records of what you've ordered and received for your business. First, you'll want to go to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on the plus new button. This will open up a menu with several transaction options organized by category. Under the vendors column, you'll find the purchase order option. So go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll create a new purchase order to send to your suppliers. Now you'll need to choose a vendor from the drop-down list at the top of the form. If you're working with a new supplier who isn't in your system yet, you can add them directly from this screen. Next, you'll want to enter the purchase order date and fill in the shipping address details. This ensures your vendor knows exactly when the order was placed and where to send the goods. Under the Item Details section, you'll add the specific products or services you want to order. Select them from the drop-down list, or if you need to add something new. QuickBooks allows you to create new items on the fly. For each item, make sure to enter the quantity you need. If the default rate or amount isn't correct, you can adjust these figures manually. There's also space to add a message to your vendor in the memo or message fields, which is useful for special instructions or notes about the order. Once everything looks good, you have two options. Click Save and Close if you just want to store the purchase order in your system, or click Save and Send to email it directly to the vendor. This second option streamlines the process and gets your order out faster. When you receive the goods from your vendor, head back to the plus new button and select Bill if you've received an invoice. The key here is to link this bill to the original purchase order you created. This connection helps QuickBooks track what you ordered versus what actually arrived and keeps your records accurate. To keep tabs on all your purchase orders, navigate to Expenses and then click on Purchase Orders. Here you can review the status of each purchase order, see what's been received, what's still pending, and manage your entire ordering workflow in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.